Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning, and in this quick video, we're going to show you how to get up urine from your carpet when your animal has gone to the bathroom. So stay tuned. Alright, so your animal has gone to the bathroom in the carpet. What you want to do is you want to take your shot vac, go all around the spot that you're seeing, get as much of that urine up as you can. You want to go outside of where you actually see the urine at. If you look to the right of your screen, you'll see as to why. Alright, so after you do that, you get all the urine up, take a cup of warm water, and if you have one of our spotters, you can put a little bit of it in there to mix in with a cup of water. You go a little bit outside of the water, put that in there, put it in there nice and slow. Take the shot vac, get all that water up that you can. You may have to repeat that process depending on if you're seeing a little bit of urine still coming out. Alright, after that, the final thing that you do is you take your towel. You want to blot it. You don't want to rub. The reason why you don't want to rub is because you're going to separate the fibers. So again, just kind of blot that area and get it dry as you can, and that's pretty much it. Now, after that, you may want to take another towel, put it on top of the spot, maybe put something heavy on there for a couple hours. That'll help absorb some more of that moisture. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.